Hello, my name is Jerry Kuzmanoff of Kuzmanoff Financial and Insurance Services, the DI guys. For the past 35 years, our firm has specialized in providing producers such as yourself with disability insurance products and training to help solve your clients' DI needs. We represent virtually all of the major carriers in the DI market, so we can find the best product at the lowest price to meet your client's specific situation. Today, we're going to spend some time talking about the basic need for disability insurance, or as we sometimes refer to it, income replacement insurance. Then, the following sessions will review the 10 major markets for disability insurance coverage. When discussing the need for disability insurance, I think it's best to focus on the word income, because it's financial income that allows us all to provide those necessities and pleasurable items during our lifetime. Without income, most of us would not be able to pay the rent, the mortgage, put food on the table, educate our children, or do all of those other things in life that we cherish so much. And when speaking of income, we also know that there are only really two sources of income, either money at work or people at work. And most people have not built up the assets needed to provide their income, so it really comes down to their good health, their ability to work, to produce that needed income. So what happens when someone is sick or hurt for an extended period of time, when they don't feel mentally and or physically able to work either partially or fully? Then where does that income come from? Well, certainly if one is employed, there's some basic income provided by California State DI program, but that's only a base, minimal income, and it continues only for 52 weeks. Then there's potentially Social Security disability benefits, but again, they're very limited and difficult to qualify for. So most people who have limited savings might try to go to the bank to borrow money, but what bank is going to loan you money when you're not working and you're not producing the income to pay the loan back? So for most people, the ideal solution is disability income replacement insurance. For a nominal amount of dollars each month, one can transfer that risk to an insurance company to help pay those needed expenses if and when someone cannot work because of an extended illness or accident. How does disability income insurance work? It's really pretty simple. And general policies are designed to answer these primary questions. When I can't work because of an illness or accident, how soon do I get paid? How much do I get paid? And for how long do I get paid? How soon do I get paid? Well, that's something called the elimination period. It's kind of like a deductible. It's the time you must be disabled according to the terms of the policy before you start accruing benefits. Most commonly, that's 90 days, but it could be shorter or longer, depending on what elimination period you choose when taking out the policy. How much do I get paid? That's what we call the monthly benefit. When you take out the policy, you designate how much you'd like to be paid when you're out of work from an illness or accident. The insurance company will limit this amount based upon your income, as they don't want it to be more favorable for you to be off work than going back to work. How long do you get paid? That's what we call the benefit period. Again, you choose this time period when you take out the policy. Typically, it can be anywhere from 2 years to maybe to age 65, to age 67, or even to age 70. Obviously, the sooner you wish to get paid, the higher the benefit amount, and the longer you wish to get paid will have an effect on the premium you'll pay for your policy. More than 50 years ago, back in 1965, when I entered the insurance business, someone told me, you're probably going to average at least $100,000 in annual income over your lifetime. Based on 40 years of work, that's $4 million. If someone gave you a machine that could print $100,000 a year for the next 40 years, is there any way you'd allow them to leave your office without buying a warranty on that machine in case it ever broke down? I don't think so. And that's why virtually all of our friends and clients so desperately need to protect their good health, their ability to work, and to earn that much needed income. As I said at the beginning, following this session, we're going to have 10 additional sessions, each one geared toward the 10 major markets for disability income insurance. Thank you again for listening today, and good luck in all of your DI sales.